Hey everyone, Gil here, Gray Man Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about rain gear. Some of you are going, well, wait a minute, we're almost, we're into the second month here of spring, what do we need about rain gear? Well, if you've been using your rain gear all winter long and you thought the rainy season was over and you put it away wrong, you could have mildew and other stuff growing on it. Or if it got torn or damaged during the winter time, having to work outside around tractors or something like that, you may need to replace it. Also, I've got news for you. Just because winter's over doesn't mean it doesn't rain anymore. Some areas get a lot of rain in the summertime. So think about checking your rain gear out, inspecting it, making sure it's working properly. If you can patch it, patch it. If not, you need to replace it and get more rain gear. Also, if you have kids, they're growing. They're bigger than they were last year. They may need another size bigger rain gear. All right? So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your supplies. Water, food, medicine, clothing, including rain gear. Learn a new skill every month and grow an indoor garden. Because the fresh fruits and vegetables they sell in the store, they ain't healthy anymore. Grow your own garden.